Today I have 3 quick and easy last minute Christmas treats that we'll be making that are super simple to make and most of all super delicious. Hi friends, welcome. Today we're going to be making these treats and I hope you enjoy. So let's get started. Our first treat is pretzel bark, and we're going to lay down 4 chocolate bars on a cookie sheet with white parchment paper and bake in the oven at 175 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Here we are with our melted chocolate. Add some pretzels. And we will put this in the refrigerator after we add all our goodies for about 1 to 2 hours. And I will also list the ingredients in the description below. I'm adding some marshmallows and M&Ms. And some candy canes. And when we pull it out after a couple of hours, we're just going to break it into chunks. And lastly, some sprinkles, and in the fridge we go. Here we are, our beautiful, delicious peppermint pretzel bark. Okay, next, our second simple treat is pretzel snaps. And we're going to preheat our oven to 175, and we're going to lay down our pretzel snaps on some parchment paper. Add some Rolos, and we're going to bake it for about 5 minutes, just enough to get those Rolos soft. Here they are soft, and we're just going to add some M&Ms. Put it in the fridge for about an hour, and we'll bring them out. And they'll be delicious as ever. And here we are, our Rolo pretzel snaps. Very simple and yummy. Lastly, we're doing Oreo cake balls. This is super easy and super delicious. I've got a bowl of Oreos, a block of cream cheese, and some white chocolate almond bark. Okay, we're going to add our bowl of Oreos to the blender and just kind of mix it all up, cream and everything. And then I'll be adding my cream cheese to the blender, but you can take the Oreos out and mix the cream cheese in a bowl with the Oreos if you prefer that way. I'm just going to break it up in chunks and just put it all in there. Okay, now that we have it blended, I've got it in a bowl, and we're just going to roll it in between the palm of our hands and make little balls. Once we have these balls formed, we're going to put them in the freezer and kind of flash freeze them for about 20 minutes. Here I have my white chocolate melted, and basically we're just going to dip our little cake balls into our white chocolate. And you like to move fast, that way we can get all our toppings on there without the chocolate setting. Looking good. Okay, now that they're covered in white chocolate, we're going to add our toppings. I have some sprinkles, some coconut, and some crushed candy canes. Just start sprinkling away. Once we get all our toppings on, we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. And here we have our delicious cake balls. Yummy, yummy. We also have our delicious pretzel bark and our Rolo bites. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.